Hello, everyone. In this video we are going to show how interactive video work in Moodle LMS. To demonstrate H5P interactive video content, we have created a dummy video on how to use Slack in Moodle.
What is Slack? Slack is a place where your team comes together to collaborate. Important information can be found by the right people, and your tools pipe in information when and where you need it. It is chat engine where discussion and other project-related messaging happens.
Here comes single choice question interaction where user needs to choose answer from any one of the option.
How to access your profile information on Slack? Simple. Just go to the top left-hand corner and you can view your name. Click on it and you can access your profile information.
Now comes fill in the blanks where learner needs to fill the missing word in blank space.
How to create or see the list of channels. Click on the plus sign and you can create a new channel with members. You can even see the channels you are subscribed in at the left side of the dashboard.
True and false type interaction where learner has to identify correct statement.
Slackbot. It is one of the most useful tool in Slack, which can be used for automated reminders. Here is a screenshot template, which you can use to write reminders messages like, remind me about preparing an Excel for content creation list at 5 p.m. Slackbot will keep this message and synchronize it with the system computer to deliver the message at the time mentioned. Even you can set recurring messages, or daily, or weekly messages.
This is a multiple choice question interaction set where learner can mark single option or multiple answer for the question type.
Direct messages is used to send message directly to a person or a set of maximum 8 members on Slack. It is used to easily coordinate among the team or a group of people working on a single project.
Mark the text interaction where learner need to follow the instruction and mark the appropriate text from the statement. What's more in H5P Interactive video? There are many other things which can be added as an interaction in H5P content, such as a link to a website using hyperlink interaction type, or can add a statement on the video itself, tables, and interactive summaries. For explainer video tutorials can also be created in H5P Interactive video. Even drag and drop and image hotspots. Question type interactions are also present in H5P. On a summarized notes, it is a one-stop solution for content creation in Moodle. If you want a personalized demo on H5P plugin, feel free to reach us at hello@3esoftech.com. Please subscribe to our page and get latest e-learning videos. Thank you.